Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 1.4 question number 4. Write 5 pairs of integers a, b such that a divided b is equal to minus 3. One such pair is 6 minus 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. Let us take the examples 5 pairs. The first pair is let us take the first pair, that is here, that is 1 a divided by b gives minus 3. A divided by b is equal to minus 3. First is given that 6 divided by minus 2 gives us minus 3, right? That can be written as 6 divided by minus 2, we are getting minus 3, right? Second will be, if we divide these both numerator and denominator by the same number, where that is by 2, you will get the same thing, right? Suppose 6 into 2, and here it is minus 2 into 2. Here it is 6 to the 12, and it is minus 4. In the same way, you are getting minus 3, right? That is, the number is 12 and minus 4, one pair, 12 and minus 4. In the same way, the second pair will be given as, multiply this by 3, that is 6 into 3 divided by minus 2 into 3. That is, you are getting, this is 18 divided by minus 6. In the same way, you are getting 18 and minus 6. This is second pair, right? The third pair, you multiply it by 4. In third pair, you multiply it by 4. That means 6 into 4 divided by minus 2 into 4. In that case, you are getting 4 6 is 24 and minus 8. Third pair is 24 and minus 8, right? Now fourth pair, if you take the fourth pair, multiply it by 5, that is 6 into 5 divided by minus 2 into 5. That is 5 6 is 30 and 5 to the minus 10. Therefore the number is 30 and minus 10. 30. Therefore the number is 30 and minus 10. And if you take another pair, multiply it by 6. Therefore 6 into 6 divided by minus 2 into 6. That is 6 is 36. 6 is 36 and minus 2 into 6 is minus 12. Therefore the next pair will be 36 and minus 12, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.